So right now I'm doing a video. I'm going to camp again, solo, overnight, again, and yeah, I have the tent here, sleeping bags, pillow. I'm gonna go ahead and load it in the Schwinn cart right here. And yeah, let's get to the tent part of it. So we have apple and almond butter. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. So my dad's here.
Hello. Creepy.
And Faven is barking
over there somewhere
the heck out of herself.
Nope.
And the tent's right there in the ferns.
So this is your camp.
It's hideout. It's hidden, completely hidden.
Oh, nice. Look at that moisture.
It's soaked.
So much. It's the dew that's just like collecting right now.
And so we have the Adventure Agent's lantern. We have my sleeping bag, and yeah, we have organic layered fruit bar. Yeah. Let's get back to the tent. So this is the dead rabbit that Faven found. There's all sorts of stuff crawling all over it.
There was a beetle crawling on it.
There's beetles. And yeah. It's pretty disgusting.
Alright, let's
So yeah.
Why are you grabbing it?
oh, those maggots. Oh, it's really good maggots right there.
That's old. Yeah, that's at least 1 million maggots.
Yeah.
So we have our Adventure Agent's lantern here. We have midnight snacks. Cucumber, carrots, celery. I shaved the last piece of celery. And bell pepper. So I'm gonna call them. Hello, can you hear me? Over.
Roger that, I can hear you loud and clear.
Uh-huh.
Alright, cool. Love you, good night.
Love you too. Good night.
I'm excited about doing your treasure hunt tomorrow morning after breakfast.
Yep, we're definitely gonna do that. Good night, love you. Over and out.
Alright, good night, love you too.
Bye.
You forgot your water bottle, you don't need any water?
I don't need water. I have midnight snacks.
Water in it.
What? I didn't hear you. I have like tons of cucumber, bell pepper, and carrots and celery.
Yeah, that's good. Alright, good night. Love you, over and out.
Good night, love you too. Bye. Over and out. If you want to see that treasure hunt he was talking about, keep watching, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. Faven! Come on! Faven. I'm gonna go ahead and get our sleeping bag set up, and yeah. Faven! what is only cryptocurrency that you should invest. Faven, come home! Come on! Faven! Come on! Faven! So I'm gonna go ahead and zip this. And yeah, I'll tell you when Faven gets here. Other than that, I think this is just about the end of tonight. Get up in the morning, and yeah. So, reminder, if you want to see that video, treasure hunt video, go back to my channel in a day or two, or a couple days, or a while, or a little bit, and yeah, it'll probably be there. So, yeah. Bye, Ben. No, 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 no. Ow, 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 ow. Oh my. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower now. Faven smells like a dead animal. Ah, that's disgusting. Not on this hand. No, not on that hand. Ah, horrible. Yeah. Ah, it's horrible. So, I just read a lot. I'm about to go to bed. So, yeah, Faven still hasn't come. Faven! Come on! Faven! So, yeah, see you in the morning. Just woke up. I'm fine. Good for the sleeping bag is super hot. Yeah. Gotta get breakfast or something like that. So we're watching one of our Adventure Agents videos. So if you want to see that video, go to theadventureagents.com. theadventureagents.com.
It's
or YouTube.
Go YouTube.
YouTube Adventure Agents, and yeah. So about to eat breakfast.
Oh yeah. We got bacon.
Bacon and eggs and tacos.
We got eggs. We got a hot pan right here.
We have tortilla with eggs, bacon. Yeah, Agent Axe out. And yeah, that's about it. Bye.